This is news together. Imagine ordering a burger, and instead of a scooter, it flies to your doorstep. In Sweden's island town of Värmdö, a startup called Aviant is testing drone food delivery. Hot burgers are delivered straight from the kitchen, by air. Over 87,000 people in suburbs like these have no delivery options. But drones are changing the game. Fast, affordable, and no delivery driver needed. It wasn't easy. Early fries arrived soggy, but now insulated containers keep food warm even in freezing winters. And yes, people freak out. Neighbors, grandparents. It's like a UFO delivering dinner. Aviant wants to expand across Scandinavia, Canada, and even the US Northeast. Anywhere cities meet rural areas. So, will your next hot meal drop from the sky? The future of food delivery might just be flying over your head. I'm Johnber. Until next time, goodbye.